Almost feeling like summer, and guess what? Tomorrow it's going to be even warmer than today. It's all thanks to being in the warm sector of a storm out west. You can see it here. We've got a blizzard going on out in the northern plains. Places like Denver picked up a lot of snow. We've got some severe weather that will be going on later today in the south here, the deep south, and this whole thing is going to be headed toward the east, and it's going to be keeping us a little bit unsettled and uncertain here over the next couple of days. But the wettest time period will definitely be from late Thursday into Friday. That is what we do know. Right now, we are already on our way up big time. It's already 68 at 9 o'clock in the morning in Allentown, 66 in Scranton, and in Philadelphia, and in Williamsport. Some cooler air to the north and west. That's because you're to the north side of that front that I was talking about the other day, dividing that chilly air from the real warm air. And boy, will we be in the warm sector for at least the next 36 hours or so. Look at how the country's divided. We've got the huge warm bubble to the east and frigid air in the northern plains. 14 in Bismarck, that's not feeling like April, and that's the story of how it goes. Now, at least it will be a dry heat. Yeah, it's warm, but dew points are right around 50 degrees or in the 40s, so that means that it will be a comfortable feeling warmth. Good days to get outside and get some stuff done, that's for sure. Now, let's talk about the future weather. For your Tuesday today, no real weather problems. Actually, not even many clouds in the sky. Late tonight, we're going to watch some thunderstorms and maybe some showers move into the northern part of the state. If they hold together, we could see a few of them make it into the east, but that is not a given. It's possible. So we're keeping a thunderstorm in the forecast for the overnight tonight and for the day tomorrow with this front in the area. We could see a few scattered showers for your Wednesday, maybe Wednesday night. I think this is overdone for Wednesday night, but again, a chance of a shower Wednesday night. The bigger rain threat will come late Thursday as all this moisture begins to move in from the west. So that's what we have to be concerned about for Thursday night and into your day on Friday as all this needs to advance toward the east. Now, as we talk about these temperatures, warm indeed. Now, for this afternoon, mid to upper 70s will be the high temperatures once again, just like yesterday. Overnight tonight, not dropping much. 60s for the lows, 62 by the time you wake up tomorrow, so once again another mild start to the day. That just acts as a launching pad for temperatures for the afternoon, and we will be going up into the upper 70s and even the 80s tomorrow. I'm expecting highs to get into the 80s tomorrow in Allentown. This probably a little bit on the low side, but notice how this front is getting closer. That's why afternoon highs in Scranton for your Wednesday only in the 60s, whereas Allentown will be in the lower 80s. That's how these stalled fronts work. Unfortunately, we are on the nice side of them. And then by Thursday, the front dives south and we begin to cool off. Thursday should still be warm, but Friday, a huge difference that you will notice. Here's a look at our forecast. Tonight, we'll see some very warm conditions, obviously, and there could be that stray thunderstorm. Otherwise, just partly cloudy. Lows between 57 and 63. So starting off on the mild side, ending on a very warm and summer-like note. During the afternoon, we'll see a chance of a thunderstorm again, but this is the story. 78 to 82 will do it on the high side. Normal highs this time of year are 60 degrees, finally 20 degrees above average as compared to 20 degrees below average. A southwesterly wind, it will be a warm wind, 5 to 10 miles an hour. And on the exclusive Campus Weather Service 7-day forecast, 76 for Thursday. We'll have some rumbling going on, so a little cooler, but I still think we're going to be on the south side of that front to keep us warm. Friday, though, rain, some thunderstorms. 59 will be the high. I think we can see about a ½ inch to an inch of rain from the Thursday night through Friday time period, but then it's out of here. By the time we get to Friday around dinner time, things should be clearing out, and that sets up for a nice weekend, although it will be cool, but right around average, 58 both days, and then starting another warming trend for next week, back to 69 with a chance of rain by Tuesday.